I wanted to give you an overview of page builder blocks because this will just help you get your head around how your pages are constructed. So for example, if we look at this home page, this is one page block, this is another page block, this is another, and on we go. So if we actually have a look at that in the back end, you would go to pages, then you would choose the page that you want to have a look at. In this case, it's home. And then you're going to be working with your page blocks. Now we'll have built your site, so really you're not constructing your pages, but you're just working with the page blocks, or maybe adding another page block to a page that's already constructed. So once you've gone into that page, you'll click on a page block, for example this header, and you'll see that there's many options. So you could have it as an image, you could even change it to an image slideshow, and on and on and on. You can choose where the content is positioned, you can update the content. And so you can also update the heading and make it smaller or bolder, and then the image itself is there. But if we went in and we made it a image slideshow, then obviously this would become a gallery and you'd start adding images to the gallery. The next page block is Primaboxes, and this is very similar to how social media works as well in page setting, in general settings or theme settings. So we have blocks, icons, title, snippet. You can either create a button and then you link it to a URL. It is pretty self-explanatory. And then on we go to features with text. So you can choose the color, the background, you can choose the text, and then you can style the text within the box. To add more page blocks, you would click on add layout, and that's in between each one of those blocks, or right at the end you can add a page block. So if we look at those page blocks, you'll see all the options, and you could just go through and add all the options and just have a look and see how each one of them works. So within each one there are settings as well. So for example, if you wanted to add team members to a page, you'd go through and you'd click adding rows, add name, add position, add text, add the person's image, and on and on. To get rid of it, you remove that row, and you can also remove the whole block. So we have lots of different page blocks: galleries, parent pages, Instagram, action boxes, promo boxes, and you can go through each one of them and play, or you're really going to be just editing the page blocks that are already on your site. And it just really is a question of clicking on the edit and then going through and matching it with the site.